Okay, here's a here's one of the little remembrance watches or lockets. If you turn it on the side, you'll see there's a top piece, a middle piece, and a back piece. You can kind of see the seam better on this on the top piece, but if you flip it around and look at the seam on the back piece, just kind of look for a place where it looks like there's a little, right here, like a little opening where it's not quite as tight. There, and you can kind of see it looks like it's not quite as tight up at the top either. Anyway, that I'd go to the place where it's least good fit, and that's where you want to open it. Here's a case knife. You can use really just about any kind of knife, but just something sharp, not something that has a serrated edge, just a smooth edge. And get it down in that little spot, and then it's open. Also, most of these, if it's not hinged, it will have what I call a little poop knot in there somewhere. When you go to put it back together, make sure that that knot there ends up matching that little hole there. And that's how it'll go back together. And you can take the inside picture out and use it to cut out whatever picture you want to put in there. And if it's hinged, it'll have a little bitty hinge down here on the bottom. And then you'll look for a little place on the top that has a little lip or a little place, you know, that's slightly open that you can put a fine edged knife in there and pop it open.